There was not enough information available in this question to prepare a full analysis of equity, but based on the comments already made in a previous video, as well as the additional information in the question, you can conclude that the at acquisition section, as well as the since to opening balance section of the analysis of equity have already been prepared by the client. How can you conclude that? Additional information 5 gives you the at acquisition consolidation journal entry for both the preference and the ordinary shares, as well as the since consolidation journal entries where some of the retained earnings of the subsidiary is moved to NCI. Together with that, the opening balances in the consolidated statement of changes in equity is also given in the question. If you understand your analysis of equity, you would have realized that both the at acquisition and since to opening balance sections have therefore already been prepared, but it included the effect of errors made by the client. That's why the note to Part B in the required made the suggestion that to consider starting your calculations with the given amounts and adjust where and if necessary. If you ended up trying to use a full analysis, you would have been able to calculate quite a lot of amounts. If you calculated them correctly and used these amounts in the balances in the consolidated SFP, marks would have been awarded. So you would have been able to calculate the correct at acquisition goodwill on the ordinary shares, as well as the correct gain from bargain purchase on the preference shares. Because the gain from bargain purchase is higher than the goodwill, you would have ended up having a correct net gain from bargain purchase of 15,000 as long as you ended up using that in your opening retained earnings and your closing retained earnings in the consolidated SFP, you would still have been able to earn marks. Furthermore, the current year section of both the ordinary share analysis as well as the preference share analysis, you would still have been able to fully complete that in the analysis of equity, and as long as it's been used in the consolidated SFP numbers, full marks for that would have been awarded.